Okay. I will refer here, guys, this questions of this kind of questions, evaluating the integrals by using U substitution for definite integral. Last idea. We have the U here for this question should be the radicand 7 minus 3w plus 2w cubed. And then differentiate du equals -3 plus 6w squared dw, right? And dw is equal to du over -3 plus 6w squared. And substitute in the question. And leave now the limits of integration 1 and 0. We can put negative and flip from 0 to 1. We can put negative and flip the limits of integration. 10 into 1 minus 2w squared. Root of the fourth root of u times du over. You know, guys, we can take here -3 as a common factor, and we still have 1 minus 2w squared. So the dw is du over -3 into 1 minus 2w squared. Now we can cancel 1 minus 2w squared out. Okay, and finally we have -1 over 3 over, -1 over -3, like 1 over 3. And it's 10 also over 3. طلعت ال 10 وطلعت -1/3. وفي negative outside the integral, so راح negative. We still have only the fourth root of u, which is u power 1/4 du, right? Simple integration. -10 over 3. And the definite integral from 0 to 1 of u power 1/4 can be integrated as yes, u power 5 over 4. Yes, and here 4 over 5, and from 0 to 1. هنطلع طبعا ال 4 over 5, so we have -40 over 15, and return u back to its original value, which is 7 minus 3w plus 2w cubed, and this from 0 to 1. What? It's positive, yeah, positive, yes, positive. Sorry. And then substitute 1 only for 1 and 0 here. لا, 0, because when you substitute 0 gives you 7. 40 over 15 into, yes, we have 7 minus 3 plus 2. Okay, and minus, when you substitute 0 gives you 7, and then multiply and do the calculations in your calculator, and that's all. This is how to evaluate the given integral, which is definite integral, by using U substitution method. I will leave these 2 questions, guys, for you to practice. And the last question. Yes. This all, yes, power 5 over 4. You are right. So only the last step, you have to write this all to the power of 5 over 4 and do it in the calculator. Thank you. So it's 40 over 5 into 7 minus 3, yes, plus 2 power 5 over 4 minus 7 all to the power of 5 over 4, and then do the calculations. Tamam? That's all, guys. Thank you.